of whatever. For everybody watching, hey Charles, thank you so much for that like. For everybody watching, this is the Pokemon portion. We have some Burning Shadows packs we'd like to open today. I love Burning Shadows. Nice. Yeah, I thought it was a really good set too. So we're gonna pop these open. We'll just get right to it. Throw all this stuff to the side. And so we're looking for some good Burning Shadow stuff. Mainly the Charizard. Obviously, there's some other good stuff in the set, but the Charizard is what we're looking for. So, if you guys haven't noticed already... Oh, these are all over the place. What the hell? For anybody who actually plays the Pokemon game online, there's the Pokemon card for you. Oh my gosh. Steven, shush up. I'm trying to look at all the stuff in here. There's a bunch of cool stuff. Alright. But that's the, whatever for you. Free pack or whatever's it is. Alright, Burning Shadows. Alright, we'll do some Burning Shadows here. So, crack this open. And we're looking for the Secret Rare Charizard. You'll know it when we see it because it is whatever. Alright, for anybody who plays, there's the card for you. Should be able to... I'm going to look because I don't remember if it's 3 or 4. Alright, it is 4. It's 4 in the new sets. Alright, cool. So, yeah. So, that's the energy. So, energy. Lana Del Rey. Tormenting Spray. Heatmore. Tymo. Tangela. Routes. Rhyhorn. Hoot Hoot. And a Sizemere. Oh, and there's another one. Butterfree. So that's our reverse holo. That's our rare. Alright, cool. So we'll just do it like this. So I don't remember. Somebody's had the odds of how much these are. So for anybody looking, there's your code if you want them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flip. Alright. Dark Energy. Highway. Rhydon, Lunatone, Stuffle, Noibat, Sock, Esper, Pansage, Crabominal? I've never seen that Pokemon, and a Persian. I've never seen that Pokemon at all. That's crazy. Crabominal. Cramorant? Is that who that evolves from? Cramorant? Alright. Just throw these away. For anybody who plays, that's the code for you. That's for the online game, for anybody who plays the online game. Alright. Darkness Energy. Mount Lanica. Noctowl. That's a cool looking art. Rhydon. Lady Ba. Inkay. Crabrawler. Tynamo. Tangela, Azumarill, and Alolan Ninetales. This Marill is a fucking rare too. Ooh, I said F. Oops. I gotta watch that. Sorry. I gotta make sure I open these on screen. Or on screen. Alright, again, anybody who plays, that's the card for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Steel Energy. Metapod. Lana. Electabuzz, Ladybug, Mudbray, Horsey, Venipede, Sandygast, Alolan Rattata, and ooh, a Machamp GX. Nice. That's a good looking Machamp. Look at him. Look at that boy. Smashing face. Pew 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 pew. Nice. Not a bad pull. I think the Charizard we're looking for is going to be right here. Come on, Mr. Mime. I don't know if Mr. Mime's in this set. I don't know if there's a Mr. Mime in this set. Alright, there's a code for you guys. 4. Alright, Fighting Energy. Po Town. Weakness Policy. Heatmore. Stuffle. Meowth. Crabrawler. Charmander. Char. Sneasel. Alright, I won't do any more for you. Sympear. That's a cool looking Pokemon. And a Shinodic. A Shinodic. Shinodic. Ugh. All right. Code for anybody who wants the code. Please do. Please do what? Oh, please do more. I know most of the original ones. Dusclops, like I don't know that guy's sound, but I know a lot of the original ones. Simisear, Vulpix. I don't know Vulpix's. I think Vulpix's is literally just something like that. I don't think that's how Vulpix does. Dude.
It is.
Vulpix says Vulpix. I know Ladyball's just bah.
Really high pitched.
Oh, see, I thought it was like the word like. Yeah. See. That one's really hard. Passimian and Alolan Raticate. Oh, there's Aloans in this set. Okay, that makes sense. Impersonations. Just do impersonations in general. If we ever open base set stuff on camera, I will do all of the base set Pokemon that I know. All right. 100%. Lightning Energy. Olivia. Kawaii. Porygon 2. Ralts. Rhyhorn. Hoot Hoot. Meryl. Oh, that's a cool looking Meryl. That's awesome. Porygon Normal. Ooh, Dusknoir. And a Brix. I would say this is not the greatest Elite Trainer box I've ever opened. It's not the worst either. There's a card in here that's kind of in a weird spot. Oh, it's the trainer, or it's that card. For anybody who wants them, you may have them. Because I don't play the game online. Alright. Water Energy. Electabuzz. Mount Lanikia. Kawaii. Wimpod. Alolan Vulpix. Meowth, that's right. Riolu. Alolan Grimer. Ooh, Alolan Vulpix. And a Meowstic. Alright. So, not the best one. Luckily, we've got more. Just gotta rip them open. But wait, there's more. Alright. Meowth, that's right. Oh, Jesus. Yeah. 4, 5, 6. And I don't know where the code card is. Oh, there's the code card for anybody who wants the code card. Oh, 7. Are there supposed to be 7 in here? Or 10? I don't remember. I feel like I'm missing something. Oh, there's some at the bottom. Uh-oh. 8. 8? 9? 32? I gotta make sure there's not an extra one in this other one. I think there is. Nope. Okay, cool. I can go over there. We go right behind it. Alright, code card for anybody who wants the code card. For SM3 Elite Trainer Box Necromza. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's only 8 packs in these, okay. There's 10 in the other one. In the Burning Shadows, there's 10. Count the online game cards. Oh! 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, there's enough. Because I left the other one in the box, and then the one I just did is over there. Alright. Wow. Fighting Energy. Yeah. Swiper. Sparkles. I don't know who that is. Oh, shiz. Ribomi. Ribombi. Ladybah. Okay. Crab Brawler. Dynamo. Tangela. Ooh, reverse holographic Porygon 2 and a Malamar. A shiny Malamar somewhere. Shiny Malamar somewhere. Alright. Code card for anybody who wants the code card. Yeah. Fairy Energy, which they don't make those anymore. Olivia. Lunatone. Palmeria. Cutiefly. Panpour. Pikachu. Is that one worth anything? I'm gonna put it there just in case because I like it. Krogunk. Pansage. Alolan Rattata. Reverse Holo. And, oh, Porygon Z Holo. Nice. Alright. Code card for anybody who wants it. 4 cards. Water Energy. Acerola. Wishful Baton. Metapod. Flying Bean, as Katie calls it. The Flying Bean. Stuffle. Meow. That's right. Crabrawler. Charmander. He looks so sad. He's so sad. He's so sad. Sneasel. And Solipede. Soliopede. Oh, ooh. Gardevoir. GX. Nice. 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 Gardevoir. GX. I'd like to get a secret rare, hopefully, out of one of these. If not just the Charizard. Charizard would be dope. And worth every penny. And worth every penny. Alright, code card for anybody who wants it. 4. And once again, anybody count the... Oh, I already counted. I just thought it was a new one. For anybody watching, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, hit that like button and also hit that follow button so you can see more of these openings. These will also be up on the YouTube at some point. Alright. Escape Rope. Sophocles. Rimbombi. Ralts. Rhyhorn. Hoot Hoot. Is it just me or is there so many more Pokemon cards per pack than Yu-Gi-Oh? Yes. The Yu-Gi-Oh cards were like 5 to 10 cards per pack, whereas the Pokemon cards are 10 additional cards per pack. But the Yu-Gi-Oh cards were a lot less. Meryl. Porygon. Meowth. That's right. And Solipede. Yeah, Yu-Gi-Oh has more cards per pack, or less cards per pack than Pokemon. Alright, there's the code card for anybody who wants the code card. Psychic Energy. Soul Rock. Looking at you all menacingly. I wonder how close I can get it. Focus. Yeah, it's not gonna work. Alright, focus. Focus. Alright, Soul Rock, Escape Rope, Gloom, Togedemaru. So I skipped this generation of games, so I don't know a lot of these Pokemon. Wimpod, Alolan Rattata, Magikarp, best Pokemon in the game, 100%. Yeah, Pansear and Dingala, along with a Toxicroak. This makes me want to start playing Sword and Shield again. Sword and Shield was so good. I keep pulling the packs towards me because I'm so used to opening them like right in front of me. Alright, there's your code card. And then whoop, Darkness. Super Scoopa. Sviper. Rotom Dex, Pokefinder mode. Tangela. Is Rotom even in the game anymore? Ralts. Rhyhorn. Hoot Hoot. Meryl. I think that's what it is. More lull. Go to sleep. And ooh, a Necroma's Necromza GX. That's a nice one. 2 GXs in one box is good. I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that. Oh, sleeves upside down. Hit. All right. Crack this bad boy open. Yeah. All right. Code card for anybody who wants the code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then energy. Soul Rock again. Plumeria. Simpier. Hoot Hoot. Ladybug. Mudbray. Horsey. See. Wimpod reverse and a Butterfree. Another Butterfree. Another Butterfree. Uno Moss Butterfree. Pokemon card has come a long way. Why do you say that? Oh, card art. Card art. Yeah. Some of the art's just fantastic. Alright, code card for anybody who wants the code card. Hit 4. Grass Energy. Seadra. Look at that Seadra. Rotom Dex. Ooh. Super Scoop Up. Sandygast. Morlul. Crab Brawler. Stuffle. Inkay. Stuffle Reverse. And Pooh Bear. Pooh Bear. Hey, Matt, thank you so much for that share. Thank you. Everybody watching, thank you so much for hanging out and watching. That will be the second one of those done. I'm just gonna clear up some stuff, some space for us. Oh, I was a little quick on it. Oops. But thank you so much, Matt. Thank you. Everyone else, thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and follow button as we work our way into the next box. Hopefully, I can get it out here. Burning Shadows. In our quest for the Secret Charizard. Hope that. Oh, all is lost. Okay, 8 packs, right? 8 packs. This one's actually in decent condition. Not all willy-nilly everywhere. Weird there's no promo in this one. But I guess the Champion's Path promo stuff is just very different. Like Champion's Path is just a different beast in itself. Alright, code card for anybody who wants the SM3 Elite Trainer Box. This guy, basically. Alright, let's crack this one open. I think we'll end up doing these once a month. Alright, Pokemon card. Anybody wants it? 4? Yeah. Lightning Energy. Rimbombi. Kirlia. Olivia. Horsey. Alolan Vulpix. Sneasel. Venipede. Sandygast. Persian Reverse Hollow. And Tapu Bulu Secret Rare. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's a good one. So this is the kind of Charizard we want, but I will take a Tapu Bulu Secret Rare. Thank you. Look at that. Ooh. Tapu Bulu. I want to see the back. Oh, the back's all scratched up. Oh. Now it's all scratched up. The back's all nicked up. Look. Rough. Not gradable. But nice. The thing blinds you, right? Tapu Bulu. Why couldn't you be a Charizard? I can see why tins are probably actually worth a bunch of money then if they're all... I haven't even looked at any of the backs on these cards. Yeah, that one doesn't look so bad. I still haven't pulled a Rainbow Rare yet in any set. Oh, nah. Rough. Well, I hope You do pull a rainbow rare the next time you pull cards. All right, for anybody who wants them. Man, that Tapu Bulu was dope though. Look at the back of this one. Let's start looking at the backs. Except, yeah, now that we're gonna look at the backs, they're not gonna be what we want them to be. All right, energy, electric. Why the back's messed up if they came from the box? Just the way it gets cut. The way it gets cut on the sheet. So these get made on sheets. And so, as you can see, this one, the way the sheet got cut, it got cut. Let me see if I can get it. See how it's indented right there? Look at the top left of it. You can see how it's indented up. So the way this sheet got cut was a little off. Just a tad off, which allows it to get that whiting. Yeah, it allows it to get that whiting. All right, back to this one. Guzma. Solrock. Meow, that's right. Wimpod. Togedemaru. Dewpider. Oh, hold on. We got it. Okay, Dewpider. Cootiefly. Reverse Hollow Butterfree. And a Boo Bear. Boo Bear. It's like bear, but spelled differently. Unfortunate. Yeah, it is unfortunate if we want to get it graded. I probably won't get it graded. I'll just mark it as lightly played and sell it on TCG Player like that. Show pictures of it. All right. Code for anybody who wants the code. 2, 3, 4. Water Energy. Acerola. Gloom. Sviper. Venipede. Sandygast. Morlul. Crab Brawler. Stuffle. Reverse Holofoil Heatmore. And, ooh, Darkrai GX. I like it. Look at that. This is a really good box. Centering's a little off. Back's pretty good, though. I'll take it. I'll take it. I put stuff in the way of my sleeves. All right. Bam. Bingo bang bongo. Huh. Pack for anybody who wants the pack. See, look, that one's already messed up too. But look at the back of that one. Looking good. Alright. Energy. Porygon 2. Metapod. Lana. Sneasel. Alolan Grimer. Ralts. Alolan Vulpix. Hoot Hoot. Reverse Hollow Olivia. And Weevil. Weevil. Give me 1 second, everybody. I'm gonna take a drink. All right, thank you, thank you. We'll move on to the next pack. I have to take a pause too, because like I said, I'm gonna be putting these on YouTube. So, if you're watching on YouTube, thank you so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. And if you're watching here and you're really enjoying everything, do consider hitting the follow and the like button. Code for anybody who wants it. So you can see future pack openings and other content. I do stream, I do play games and stuff like that on here too. Fighting Energy, Porygon 2. Ooh, a Charmeleon. Look at that guy. Charmeleon. What makes it a reverse hollow? Wobbuffet. I'll show you. Alolan Vulpix. A Hoot Hoot. What a hoot. Ladybug. Mudbray. Yeah. Horsey and yeah. Noibat. So reverse hollow, if you look, it's hollow right here and not in the picture. So it's the reverse hollow. And then finally, a Slazzle GX. This box has been good. We've got a secret rare, Tapu Bulu, Darkrai GX, and a Slazzle GX. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. This is a good box. I can be happy tonight knowing I opened this box. All right, next pack. And we still have 2 more packs after this one. That's crazy. They really slept at us for us. Really stacked this one for us. All right, there's the code for anybody who wants the codes. And these codes are for anybody who plays the online game. All right, Energy. Bafulant. Olivia, Kawaii, Pansage, Stuffle, Meow, that's right, Crabrawler, Charmander, even though he's sad, and a Super Scoop Up reverse, followed by a Turtonator. That's a cool Pokemon right there. I gotta start opening them from the right side. That's my problem. I'm opening them from the wrong side. Alright. For anybody who plays online. Alright. Fairy Energy. They don't make these anymore. Dusclops. Metapod. Simisear. Crabrawler. Charmander. Sneasel. Alolan Grimer. Ralts. Reverse Foil Diancie. Is that a rare? That is a rare. Nice. And a Brooks. Like I said, can't be too mad at this box though. Has a secret Tapu Bulu. And a 2 GXs, so GXs aren't really worth that much at first. Some of them are, some of them aren't. Alright, once again. But it's always nice to have them. They do look super cool. Alright. Energy. Noctowl. Rhydon. Charmeleon. Second Charmeleon. Pansear. Cutiefly. Panpour. Pikachu. I'm going to keep that Pikachu. Krogunk. Reverse Hollow Vulpix. And a Slowking. That's a nice Slowking. Alright. And the final box that we'll be opening tonight. So, time to see if we get anything good. We're going to open this one back here like this. Just because there's not a lot of room in front of me left for this stuff. So, you guys can still see me on screen. And whatever, we'll put on the rares. Get rid of this. Pop this open. Oh, this one's all messed up. Look at that. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then don't worry about any of that. Ugh. What's this box having so much trouble for? Come on. Why are you giving me so much trouble? There we go. Put that over there. Alright. Card for anybody who wants the card. And the last few packs. Hopefully we get a Charizard out of these. If not, I'm not going to be too upset. We did have some decent pulls. For anybody who wants the cards. Wow, that's cut really weird. Look at that. 4. Did I already do it? I don't know if I did it or not. Okay, I didn't. Alright, Fire Energy. Bodybuilding dumbbells. So we haven't seen those yet. That should be a good sign, right? Rhydon. Electric. It's electric. Doot, 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 doot. Rhyhorn. Hoot hoot. Metal. Porygon. Charmander. Could be a Charizard. Could be a Charizard. Could be a Charizard. Bricks. And Electros. I have to clean up all this mess immediately after this. Alright. 4. Okay. Energy. Seadra. Rotom Dex. Super Scoop Up. Meryl. Caterpie. We haven't seen that yet either. How many cards are in this set? 147? Interesting. Alright. Morlul. Duskull. Oddish. We haven't seen an Oddish yet. Tangela. And a Raichu. for anybody who wants it. Energy. Arsila. Gloom. I've not said her name yet. Right yet. Not once. Seviper. Dupider. Tingala. Hoot Hoot. Oh, I just grabbed all of them at once. Sandygast. Rhyhorn. Morlul. And a Tangrowth. That's my bad. I was trying to rest my arm because it was like feeling weird. Alright. See, some of these they're coming like that. Alright. This one's really, look at the cutting on these. The cutting on this set was not great. That's probably why getting a 10 on that Charizard is hard. See, look, there's already scratching right there. So if this was to be the Charizard, not a 10. All right, energy. Electabuzz. Sophocles. Soplopticles. Pansage. Esper. Meryl. Charmander. Oddish. Alolan Rattata. And a Turtnor. I'm glad that wasn't a good card because it's scratched up on the back. Card for anybody who wants the card. Steel Energy. Olivia. Lunatone. Palmyra. I don't know how to say her name. Do you? Ladybug. Inkay. Brawler. Dynamo. Tangela. Porygon 2 Reverse Hollow, and Meowstic. Only 2 more packs after this. Are we gonna get one? GJP 4G. Yeah, I'm not gonna read it for you. You thought I was gonna. For the people just listening, you thought I was gonna give it to you, but I'm not. Fairy Energy, Bouffalant, Simport, Noctowl, Riolu, Rhyhorn, Tingala, Dupider, Noibat. I'm gonna try to say her name right this time. Acerola, and Boo Bear. It's bear with U in it. You bear. All right. We've only got a few more packs to go. 2 more packs to go. For anybody who wants it. Time to see what we get. Fighting Energy. Whirlpeed. Guzma. Super Scoop Up. Sandygast. Morlul. Crabrawler. Stuffle. Inkay. Lunatone Reverse Hollow, and a Heracross. Alright, last pack. Alright, let's hope. All we can do is hope. Anybody wants that? All we can do is hope. Alright, Energy. Simper. Rotom Dex. Town. We haven't got that one yet. Hoot Hoot. Ladybug. Mudbray. Horsey. Venipede. Pansear, and Mudsdale. Alright. So that's all we got out of here. Not terrible, though. Could have been way worse. Like, terribly worse. So, not too terrible. I do like this Tapu Bulu. The Tapu Bulu we got. I'm just going to look at a few things real quick. Basically, the Tapu Bulu. And then I'm going to show you guys the raw we opened. That's not bad. That's a $15 card. Burning Shadows. So yeah, so Burning Shadow is basically that Charizard, and the energy, secret rare energies are worth a lot of money. Some other stuff's worth some good stuff. The GXs, I think, that are worth money are the regular Charizard GX and some other cards. Oh, there's full arts in this too? Aw. I would have loved to open a full art. Yeah, there's full arts in this set too. Nice. Maybe we'll get our hands on some more of this later. Nice. Yeah, all the GXs are worth about $1 or $2 a piece, so not bad. The Bulu was a good one.